Do freelancers need to pay tax? Do I need to register my business somewhere? Am I missing out on something that I don't know about? Don't worry. Taxes, GST, registration, इन सब words को सुनकर सबको डर लगता है. All this can be especially intimidating when you're starting out as a freelancer. Hence, it's very important to know the legal requirements of freelance business in India. GST, income tax, payments और registration से जुड़े आपके सारे questions आज हम इस वीडियो में आंसर करेंगे. So let's start. Do I need to register my business or get a license? Let me put this straight. अगर आप as a freelancer अपना business start कर रही हैं, तो आपको कोई license और registration की जरूरत नहीं है. All you need is a PAN card, and you can keep quoting your PAN card number for taxation purposes, as long as your annual income is less than 20 lakh per year. पेमेंट के वक्त जो TDS डिडक्ट होता है वो आपके पैन कार्ड पे प्रोसेस होगा और आपके इनकम टैक्स में रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. So you don't need to worry about TDS as long as you're giving your PAN card number. But it is sometimes a good idea to get registered as a basic proprietorship because then you can open a current account in a bank and issue receipts in your name. This is useful in case you want to accept payments more than 10 lakhs. You can claim GST tax credit on your business related expenses. जैसे आपने कोई सॉफ्टवेयर परचेज किया for your business, तो उस पे कटने वाला GST आपको वापस मिलेगा.
Hi, my name is Yashika Jain and I'm a chartered accountant. Can I take a GST registration and claim the advantage of the GST that I'm paying on my expenses? Yes, you can take a registration even if you are not crossing 20 lakhs of turnover, which is a voluntary registration. You can take, but you have to analyze at what cost you are taking the registration, because the moment you decide to get a GST registration, one, you will be incurring a consultant fee who will charge on a monthly basis for your registration, for your return filing, plus there will be a huge cost of non-compliance because GST return has to be filed monthly. Even if you skip on filing one return, there is a late fee penalty which can extend up to 100 rupees per day.
What about GST for freelancers? अगर आपकी एनुअल इनकम 20 लाख से ज्यादा है तो आपको GST के लिए रजिस्टर करना पड़ता है. For northeastern states, this limit is 10 lakhs. You then have to pay 18% GST on any income earned through your freelance services. This payment is mostly done online on the GST website. Mostly हर सर्विस के लिए GST rate 18% ही होता है. But for a detailed list about what the rate is for what service, check out the link in the description. इसका मतलब है as a freelancer, you should always charge 18% extra on top of your fees to account for the taxes.
So both on professional fees and on commission, 18% GST is charged. But is that the 18% that I will be paying to the government? No. For example, I have a client to whom I have to bill a 10,000 rupees. My 18% GST comes to 1,800. But I am also incurring, let's say, a 5,000 rupees of expense for my co-sharing rent. Now, on this rent, my GST that the person is charging me, my supplier is charging me is 900, which is 18%. So, when I file my return, I will pay 1,800 minus 900, which I've already paid. So essentially, at the end of the month, I will pay to the government only 900 rupees. And now this exercise has to be done every month. That is, my GST payment has to be done every month.
What about income tax for freelancers? Income tax for freelancers is taxable after a certain amount. For freelancers, incomes up to 2.5 lakhs are not taxed. Incomes between the values 2.5 to 5 lakhs are taxed at 10%. 5 to 10 lakhs at 20% and about 10 lakhs at 30%. ITR 4 फॉर्म यूज करके freelancers अपना टैक्स फाइल कर सकते हैं. You can use form 26AS that is linked to your PAN number and that helps you know all the TDS that has been deducted. As a freelancer, you may also be required to pay advance tax. Advance taxation is the payment of taxes during frequent intervals in a given year. इनकम टैक्स सेक्शन 80 के अनुसार आप 1.5 लाख तक इन्वेस्ट कर अपना टैक्स आउटगो कम कर सकते हैं. What does that mean? Basically, you can invest up to 1.5 lakh in tax saving instruments, and that portion of your income will not be considered when calculating your taxes. Let's talk about contracts. Freelancing की सबसे बड़ी struggle है getting paid. Disputes arise when there's a mismatch of expectations. Hence, drawing out a clear and comprehensive contract is necessary. As a freelancer, here are a few things that you can consider including in your contract. Compensation. The agreed amount that needs to be paid after the completion of work. Timeline. The deadline set mutually by both parties. Scope of work defines the freelancer's nature of work during the tenure of the agreement. Additional services. Payment terms set by the freelancer for any extra effort. Late payment clauses. A freelancer can charge an interest or set any other terms. This is very important because some clients just don't release payments on the decided time. Advance payment. This clause allows the freelancer to charge a specific sum in advance. Termination. Circumstances under which the client can choose to terminate the contract. Confidentiality. During the tenure, the freelancer should not disclose the work information to any third party. Privity. Showcases the relationship between the client and the freelancer. आप अपना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का टेम्पलेट डिजाइन करके उसे अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स में यूज कर सकते हैं. For small amounts of a clients that you trust, it's okay to have a confirmation on email. पर बड़े अमाउंट्स के लिए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स को यूज कीजिए. This ensures that the client will take you seriously and pay you on time. But even if you don't use a contract, put down all these terms in an email and ensure that you get a response from the client on it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that this answered a lot of your questions about GST, income tax, registrations, etc. If you have any other questions, do ask them in the comment section below. We'll be back with another video around freelancing very soon. Till then, stay tuned. If you like our videos and want more such informational content, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel.